Hello everyone. Now in this video I'm going to share with you how can an introvert overcome the sales barrier. Alright, basically an introvert, they are afraid to speak to strangers, they don't like to hang around with people, they don't like to close or ask for the sale. Right? But because one of the reason is because they are focusing on the wrong thing. Right? They are focusing on the products. Okay, so when you are focusing on a product, what happens is there is this pressure to sell, pressure to close, right? Move your focus away, shift your focus away from products. Okay, become a solution provider. So think yourself as a person who provides solution instead of just pushing products. Now, an example of product pushing. Have you ever received calls from the banks? Right, some banks say, "Hey, can I speak to so and so? Well, we are promoting this personal accident insurance." Now that's product selling. Have you bought from them? I don't. Okay, I don't buy products that way from banks. I don't know who this person is. There's no relationship. I don't trust this person. So, and it is just, I don't need personal accident plan. I have personal accident plan. I don't need more. So you move away, you step away, right, from products. So when you are coming from a solution provider perspective, there is no longer the stress and the pressure of closing a deal. Because if a prospect has no need for your product, you just walk away. Now there are many times that I walked away from a deal. Hey, after chatting 30 minutes with this customer, with this prospect, I basically told him, hey, actually I have nothing to sell you. You don't need anything, right? And I walked away. And there are times where, of course, there are times customer says, hey, actually no, although I don't need, but I want. Okay, so well then I sell, right? I close the deal. Okay. So be a solution provider, not a product pusher, right? Yeah, when you shift this focus, you will get out there, you will go out there, okay, introverts, you will go out there and start providing solution, helping other people. All right, I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.